Hey, this is Dina Schuckert from Nutanix, live from .next. I'm here with Andea Mauro from Assyrus. Hey, it was the first day at .next yesterday. How was your time?
Yeah, it was pretty good. Nice experience. I've been the course. I passed an exam. The keynote was very interesting. So a good first day, and now I hope that the second day will also better.
You were just coming out of the CTO session dedicated for the experts. How was that?
Very interesting. This period is quite interesting for changing and give opportunity to make digital transformation in different way. So the speech was pretty interesting and gave some real scenario of what a customer can do.
Okay, thank you so much. Have a great rest of the event. Thank you again for joining us and see you.